Hello, I'm Shorty Biscuit, and today I am going to be testing out the Dash Mini Waffle Maker. I previously tested out the Dash Mini Pie Maker, and it works really well with the Rockpals power station. I was able to take it with me on a road trip where I was able to make biscuits and eggs and stuff for breakfast. So maybe on the next trip I will be taking along the waffle maker, so I'll be testing it out today. It is rated for 350 watts, so we'll see what it does. The other one, the pie maker, was also rated for that, but it actually did not in reality pull that much. I have mixed up a batch of batter here for the waffles, and we'll see how it goes. So on the Dash Mini appliances, there isn't any on or off button, so as soon as you plug it in, it starts to go. You can see the power station is at 261 watts. Is that what it's pulling at the moment? And we'll see how high it goes if it actually goes over the 300. I let it sit for about 3 minutes, and you can see it's down to 97%. It is all warmed up. Let's see how this goes. What I have noticed with the Dash is that when it comes to temperature, and it believes the item is cooked, it clicks, and we'll see if this one also then drops the output on the Rockpals solar power station. It seems to be holding at a steady 261 watts output while it's cooking. I haven't seen it go over 270, so that's a good thing. I may have put just a little bit too much batter in there because it's getting kind of high. And I don't know if you heard that click, and you can see the output is now at 0, and that should mean that the waffle is ready. And yeah, the waffle is ready indeed. It is cooked on both sides. I guess if I wanted my waffles to be darker, I would leave it in there a little bit longer. In goes waffle number 2. I am going to put the recipe for the waffle batter in the links. It is a recipe that I adapted from a King Arthur flour recipe. It's made with self-rising flour. Instead of using liquid milk and fresh eggs, I use powdered milk and powdered eggs. So I can do this while camping. I can pre-mix the flour and the sugar, the eggs, the milk, and on site add the liquid items like the melted butter, water, and vanilla essence. And really, that's all the ingredients that are in here. And I will put the recipe, the adapted recipe, in the comments as well as the link. And there you go, the click again, and it shut off. So that auto shut off is really nice, so that A, it wouldn't be pulling power, and B, you wouldn't necessarily burn whatever you're cooking. There is still heat in there, so the waffle will continue to get darker as it stays in there, I believe. But quick way to make breakfast with the power station. Well, I got 8 total waffles from the mix, and the Rockpals is at 60%, so not so bad. 40% total to make 8 waffles with the mini waffle maker. That would be fine in the morning if I were to make waffles for breakfast. I have a mounted solar panel on top of my SUV. I have folding solar panels. I could also charge while I drive, so easy to get this back up to where it's going to need to be able to charge other things throughout the day. I could also then use the mini pie maker to make eggs, let's say. I am looking forward to getting my hands on the mini grill and the mini griddle to run some tests and see how they work. But I would call this a success. 8 waffles if I were sharing with other people, or even if I were to make these one day and save them in my cooler and have them for breakfast over a couple days. So I would say this is another winner to be added to the collection of things I can take when I'm car camping.